How to turn on or off Core Isolation Virtualization-based security in Windows 10. Core Isolation Virtualization-based security is a built-in key feature of Windows security that affects your systems in different ways. In this video, we'll show you how you can configure Core Isolation VBS in your system. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Core Isolation Memory Integrity? Core Isolation Memory Integrity is a powerful Windows 10 feature that uses virtualization-based security to protect critical system processes from malicious code. It works by combining hardware virtualization and Hyper-V to block unauthorized code execution in high-security areas of the system. But while it boosts system security, oftentimes disabling memory integrity may be necessary. Enabling it can interfere with older drivers or legacy software. Due to virtualization's resource-intensive nature, some users may also experience system slowdowns, especially on older hardware. Disabling the feature can also help with troubleshooting software or hardware issues. Disabling Core Isolation Memory Integrity. There are several ways to turn off Core Isolation Memory Integrity. Windows Security Settings. Open Windows Security. Press Win plus I to open Settings. Click Update and Security, Windows Security. Click Open Windows Security in the right pane. Go to Core Isolation Settings. Click Device Security in the left panel. Click Core Isolation Details under the Core Isolation section. Toggle Memory Integrity to Off. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control, UAC. Restart computer for the changes to take effect. If the toggle is grayed out, try using the Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor. Press Win plus R. Type regedit and click OK. Click Yes on the User Account Control UAC prompt. Navigate to the Registry key. Go to Modify the registry entry, locate the enabled DWO-RD value. Double-click it and change the value to 0 to disable memory integrity. Save and apply the changes. Close Registry Editor. Reboot your PC to apply the new settings. Alternatively, the Group Policy Editor allows you to disable virtualization-based security under the Device Guard policies. For command line users, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type the following commands for Command Prompt. For PowerShell, restart your computer. Security measures while Core Isolation is off. Remember that disabling memory integrity can expose your system to kernel-level attacks and unauthorized code execution. It also weakens the effectiveness of Windows Defender. To stay protected, make sure Secure Boot and Windows Defender remain enabled. Use the Trusted Platform module for enhanced encryption and always keep your Windows system and device drivers up to date. You can always re-enable memory integrity through any of the same methods if you decide to turn it back on later. Ultimately, managing Core Isolation memory integrity should be done with caution. Understand your system's needs and risks before making changes, and always prioritize security where possible. For more information, check out our official blog post on Configure Core Isolation Virtualization-based security on Windows 10, linked in the description below.